Hi friends, David here. I wanted to talk to you all about Woo Trade today. And the reason I want to talk about it is when we look at Binance Coin, BNB, and we look at FTX Coin, FTT, you can look at the tremendous rise in those, in the appreciation of those tokens' value. And then I think what we're going to see here is the same thing happen for Woo. If you don't know about Woo Trade yet, here's some information. Woo Trade was founded by Kronos, this team what is Kronos Research? It's a large quant trading firm based in Taipei and Shanghai. The team has gone from 2 to 80 plus since 2018, and they trade on average 5 billion US dollars per day in crypto volume. And it's a designated market maker for Binance. Huobi, I don't know how to pronounce that, and OKEX and others. So it's the designated market maker for the largest exchange, centralized exchange in existence, Binance. And the founders have 15 years experience in the investment and trading industry. And if you want to follow 1-800, you can see right here, follow this guy. He's been on point with a few of his calls. So this is his thread talking about why he's bullish on Woo Trade and why you might want to consider it. So I wanted to show it to you. And then Woo is utilized in decentralized governance and serves as the unifying force for all services provided by the platform. For example, zero fee trading, investment products and collaterals, the roadmap. And as we know, in I think 6 or 7 days, on August 20th, Woo X will be releasing. And if you have 1,800 Woo and you stake them, you can then have free trading. It's not yet available in the United States, but it is available in most countries around the world. And then there's a lot of amazing partners. Three Arrows Capital is one of those partners, and more. They're using Chainlink oracles to provide all their data feeds. And then 50% of the Woo revenue from trading, large institutional traders will have to pay a fee. 50% will be burned. So we're going to get significant deflationary pressure as the network gets utilized more and more. And you can see here the CEO, Jack Tan, if you want to learn a little bit more about him. And there's a podcast also available on Spotify. So I just wanted to show that to you all. And then there were some charts here, but they may have been somewhere else. So let's go back to this chart. Woo Trade is sitting at 83, about a little over 83 cents right now. And as you can see, it was down here in the 32-cent range. What a buy for those who got in on it at that point. And then on the Fibonacci retracement, it's showing a target for this next run of $4.32. So that is a pretty nice X factor. If you're interested in this project, I think it's one of the most solid fundamental projects in the space because it's already being utilized. The Kronos team has experience in this space, and it will be a large, I don't want to say it'll be a competitor for other exchanges. It'll be more of a collaborator because Woo will be a market maker for eventually also decentralized protocols like Uniswap and SushiSwap and others. So as you can see from the chart here, we've been climbing since this bottom at around 31 cents. And it's had a hard time getting over the 88-cent range, but I'll definitely be watching it. I'm looking at getting in a little bit more right here. So I think once we blast through this, we're heading back up towards this range of $1.10, and then I think we'll move very quickly as the token starts getting burned more and more, and the awareness of the project becomes a bit broader that we're going to blast through this $1.36 range. So this isn't financial advice. This is just something I'm learning about. I want to share, and I'm not a financial advisor. It's for educational purposes only. But I thought that might be helpful for some of you guys. And once again, let's see. I think this has our charts. Oh yeah, here we go. Look at, this is the Binance coin chart. Look at this type of growth. It's just parabolic. And the same thing with FTX or the FTT token, parabolic growth. And there's a lot of people who have been watching this space for a while, who really believe that this is going to be the case for the Wu token. 50% of revenue is burned as Wu tokens, making it increasingly deflationary as it scales. Wu takes a small transaction fee on large orders, so only high volume clients pay for trades on the exchange. Even then, it's inexpensive. And then you can see the revenue address right here. So as we look at it, you can get a sense of what's going on. And this article is from Albert Nazarov, and it was from early this year. It's not that recent of an article. Mark Cuban has said that the Wu platform is solving the biggest obstacle in crypto: friction through disparate liquidity pools across many exchanges, high transaction costs, and front-running manipulation. And it's, of course, it's backed by Three Arrows Capital, which is one of the main players in the game. So I hope that helps you guys, and hope you're having a great weekend.